Hello everyone, I'm Güray Hatipoğlu. I have been a PhD candidate in Earth System Science Department of the Middle East Technical University for 2 years, and almost 2 years I have been a member of Ecological Forecasting Initiative as well. I am generally active in Social Science Working Group. Today I am going to explain you what are we doing in Social Science Working Group and why you should definitely come. So, as an ecological forecaster or a scientist in a relevant field, you might model several ecological related variables and generate forecasts. But when you come to the application of these forecast outputs, you need to involve social science perspectives, such as in visualizing, explaining uncertainty to the stakeholders related to your forecasts, or when you understand in the requirements and needs, expectations of the stakeholders and co-produce the forecast directly with them. Or just put an additional perspective on the evaluation of the forecast quality. Social science perspectives come to your help. In social science working group of Ecological Forecasting Initiative, we create blog posts related to these social science used in ecological forecasting as well. In this case, for instance, at the right top, you see an image related to how ecological forecasts are used with several different types of actions given at the right of the image directly. As you see, even though the scientists generate the forecasts, policymakers, corporations, private individuals, and many other people use this. So you need to define them directly through social science as well, such as considering the target audience for your ecological forecasting outputs, and then also considering the impact of this forecast on the actions, decisions of this target audience, and then how this impact can change the well-being of these and other people. These are the dimensions of social science as well. Another blog post we wrote here is related to the forecast visualization and refining. Such as in this one, a forecast's output is mapped here with different colors related to the treatment window for pest management. But when it's discussed with the potential users of the forecast, another approach was found to be more intuitive, like directly given the development level of the pests themselves and putting different relevant colors with them instead of this one. So, other than the blog post, we also prepare panels regarding, for instance, in 17 May of 2021, best practices for visual communicating ecological forecast uncertainty. In that one, Dr. Melissa Kenny, Dr. Michael Getz, and Whitney Wolmer explained their experiences and research regarding this topic and provided many important insights as well as discussed other relevant topics and answered our questions. So as a student, how you can get involved? After becoming an EFI member, you can directly attend our monthly meetings and prepare in the topics written in the agenda before the meeting take place. And you can also try to pitch another topic which you are also interested in and related to the social science working group's aims and interest as well. And then it can be discussed directly in that meeting too. Another way is, again, pitching an idea regarding blog posts or collaborating with other people on one or two blog posts and directly working on what you are interested in this way as well. And the ways to involve is not limited to the blog post. You can directly collaborate and about possible research opportunities with researchers in this social science working group in EFI directly, or Neon Forecast Challenge as well. And you can come up with different social science related challenges within the Neon Forecast Challenge in this case. And there might be other opportunities which I didn't present here, but might still be very interesting both for both you and for both social science working group of the EFI. So thank you for your attention. Now I will be very glad to listen and answer your question.